Hey, Firecracker 260 here, returning with another Series 2 collectible minifigs review. Are you ready? This is on the Explorer. Okay, here's the packaging. Same old, nothing much. And the checklist and instructions, magic. Okay, just like all the others, he has his base plate. Ta-da. It's like Johnny Thunderlegs, kind of, from the Adventure series, but it has yellow lines going around them. So basically, I think of this guy as the 2010 Dr. Kilroy from the Adventure series. The 2010. So his magnifying glass does magnify, which I think's cool. This is my second one. He comes with 2 pairs of binoculars. One is an extra piece. And he has a canteen right there on his jacket and a red shirt, dark red shirt, nice adventure cap, and a very wise professor, I know what I'm doing look. You turn him around, you get plainness, not really any detail on the back. But, I don't know, he's really good. He's a nice one. A Gun and Colt, a good one. And let's see. I want you to know that it can magnify. See? Magnify. It's kind of where if you hold it really far away from your eyesight, everything turns upside down. Oh well. So yeah, that's all there is to say about this good minifig. I still like the Spartan better. It's like, I can cream you in Scrabble. Eat that. Yeah, that's really all there is to say. Firecracker 260 is signing off. Bye. I'm a very wise old man. Fear me.